Okay, Honda CBF1000 Mark 1 mod exhaust, another one. Right guys, previously we took the DB killers out like this using the 44mm drill, which left you hopefully a nice bit of a, well, it's a bit of a jagged edge at the back there, but you can see the inner ring there. And the outer ring we talked about, we left intact. Now I managed to find some very cheap Chinese DB killers which seem to slot in reasonably well. So that's it on the other side. The quality is absolutely shocking, but these were 10 quid a pair. That's a grub screw that I've popped in there. Then it's got an Allen key head that I'm probably going to try and fix in from the inside out if I can. Depends whether it grips or not and bites. The alternative is to put a hole in the top or a hole at the bottom, as you've seen on most DB killers, and do it that way. But essentially it's one of these. Okay, it's a 48mm diameter, so the actual diameter of that is 48mm, from what I can recall. It's one of the long ones. They do these in long and short lengths, and you can see that Allen bolt on the back there. Allen's, well, like a grub screw really. It's so you can actually change the length of it and change the loudness apparently. But this is a 48mm diameter, long, cheap Chinese DB killer, and it just, with a little bit of luck, happens to slide in to that recess that we made. I'll probably need to put that in a bit. It just slides in. The actual quality of these screws are awful. They're absolutely shocking. So you're just going to take the bare bones DB killer, guys, and be prepared to work with it. But it will fit nicely in there. It just slides in. Because you use a 44mm drill hole saw originally, you've got that material left there, where the DB killers came from. And because you've got that little outer ring there, which we never touched, it just provides enough support for it. I dare say if that was 50mm, it would fit like a glove, or 49. But anyway, it slots in. It sits there okay. This is the other one I've done, where I've got a grub screw in there with an Allen bolt on. They're absolute crap. And I guess you could almost put some exhaust muffler around the edges to just seal it a little bit better. But this is no more than what any other exhaust manufacturer would provide you with. Just a cheap piece of steel which screws in with one screw, and that's essentially your DB killer. So it's a 48mm diameter, long DB killer. I think these are £10.50 for a pair from eBay. I've seen them as cheap as £8.50 a pair. They do them in silver as well. You're probably just going to have these in for its MOT, or have them in your toolbox if you go touring. They're absolute crap, but they fit. And if you want to reinstate your DB killers quickly and cheaply, tenner, there you go. Tenner and a couple of grub screws. I'm going to use these better quality stainless ones with an Allen key head. As you see on there, I'll probably fit them from the inside out. But you need to figure around with them, guys. You know, it just takes a bit of work. I've not figured it out myself yet, but you know, just pick a pair up, have a play around with them, see what you can come up with, and if you come up with any better ideas than me, stick them on here. So there you go. Okay, thanks guys. Bye now.